we're gonna try to do the thing. Today we have a really simple recipe, but it should be fun. It's matcha pudding.
Yeah, and tasty.
Yeah, and really tasty. Yeah, why'd you want to do this?
So we went to Kona Sushi, and they had matcha pudding as a seasonal.
Yeah, it was so good. It was really good.
Like, I was already full, but I wanted to get one just for myself.
Yeah, and because I mean it's so light though. It wasn't really heavy, and it's not too sweet. Yeah, I really like this kind of food because it's not too sweet. So there's a lot of different things that you can put on top of it. So what we're doing today specifically is a type of uncle. So this is the red bean paste. This is a chunky version, and I actually made it chocolate flavored. So it's really good. It's surprisingly really good. And I don't like my uncle super sweet. It depends on the person. Some people like them super sweet. I'm not a super sweet person. I mean, I am a nice person, but I don't like sweet things.
The sweet tooth, no.
I don't have a really heavy sweet tooth. Salt, on the other hand, that's a whole other story. Yeah, so I made this chocolate flavor just because I thought it sounded good and it was kind of an experiment and it turned out really good.
It is very good.
Yeah.
My taste buds would like it a little sweeter, but it's still very good as it is.
Yeah, it's I like it. I think it's a pretty good like mid spot.
It's not too bland, but it's not too sweet.
Yeah, it was fun to mess with it and taste it as I went, kind of see how I wanted it. So it's pretty simple. It takes a little bit of time. We're also going to be making homemade whipped cream for this. Yeah, it'll be a workout. We're just going to sit here and go like this for like 30 minutes. I just like punched the camera several times doing that. I was like...
I'll keep doing it.
So we'll be making some whipped cream, and that'll be pretty simple. And yeah, it's a lot of top-down stuff. Oh, some of the cool things that you can put on this. So this is a really nice recipe because you can make it all year round and put whatever you want in it. So in the summertime,
versatile.
Yeah, it really is. Yeah. So in the summertime, you can put like strawberries and like blueberries and stuff. And then in the autumn time, roasted chestnuts are really popular. Just, chopping up the chestnut meat just on the inside. And then obviously you can do whipped cream whenever. You can make the uncle whenever. It's kind of in season whenever you want it to be.
I know the matcha that we had has some kind of like syrup on it.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, the brown sugar syrup.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's really good. It has like a toasty kind of flavor to it. It's a little less sweet than like regular syrup, but it has a different like flavor.
Yeah.
I liked it a lot. And then I'm sure you could probably do like Puyu persimmons in the winter time. I actually have some, and I thought about cutting some up and then I forgot. So maybe we'll throw some on there anyway, just because. But yeah, there's a lot that you can do with this. Make it your own. I'm thinking that because it's such a lighter dessert and it's not super sweet, that you could probably also either like layer or put on top probably like a fruit like compote or something, like a jam or something, especially like a really chunky one.
Yeah, I think that'd be really good.
Yeah, I think something like that would probably be really good. And green tea goes really well with citrus, so you could probably do citrus stuff. So do whatever you want. Make it your own. Play with it and see what kind of flavors you
If
guys
it tastes
like.
good with matcha, it'll probably taste good
Yeah,
with this.
definitely. Yeah, and there's a lot of different kinds of like flavored green teas that you can get at the store. So basically, if they make it in a green tea flavor, and even if they don't, it'll probably taste good.
Probably tastes good with this.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so we're already going to be swapping to the top down. So we'll go ahead and get our stuff pre-measured, and we'll talk about how much we're using it. I believe everything is going to be in milliliters as we go.
Milliliters and grams.
Yeah. So we'll let you guys know how much that is. The recipe that we're using is from the Japanese cookpad, so it is not available in English. I will link it anyway. And it's a simple enough recipe to where I'll probably just write up a translation for it for you guys in the translation box.
In the description box.
This direction. So I won't take me long to do that. So I'll just throw that in there anyway so that you guys can use it. I need a food scale. Someone please find me a food scale. It needs to be white or pink. Gray is fine too.
What's coming soon?
Please. I need to make a wish list for cooking stuff because we always need things. We always need things.
Things and stuff.
And we buy all this out of our own pocket to make videos for you guys so that we can try recipes and let you know how they are. Brain went burr. And now we're gonna change. We're gonna go that way. Bye. Press the stop button. She said, "Hi." Okay.
You record, right?
It's recording, yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna. I think it is, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this. Yeah, we weren't sure if it was recording or not. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this one more time and then give it an ice bath. There we go. That should be good. Getting a little liquid through at least. And it'll catch all the chunky matcha pieces.
I refused to dissolve.
Which happens. I mean, it's tea. Okay. I'll go ahead and get that out of here. Yeah, I don't think that's coming through. So, then this guy gets mixed and chilled. And then once this is ready, we'll go ahead and pour it into our containers and chill it in the fridge for a few minutes. And then we'll come back out here and plate it up and you can see what it looks like.
Between that, we're probably gonna make the whipped cream.
Yeah, we do have to make whipped cream. I almost forgot. I straight up almost forgot that we were gonna make whipped cream.
Bring it all today.
It's definitely not with me. I just want to drink this. This looks like a really good latte. It was really funny. So when I was reading out the recipe, I put just the 200 milliliters of milk in there, and I was like, I don't know, this doesn't seem like enough liquid. And then I forgot that heavy cream also goes into it of the same amount, and I went, yeah, that looks right. So, okay, we're gonna finish up this ice bath so you don't have to sit here and stare at us for the next
However long it takes.
5 or 10 minutes to get this to room temperature so that we can put it in the fridge. And then, yeah, we'll see you once we get to making the whipped cream. Hi, we're back. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and make our whipped cream, which is really simple. It's just 3 ingredients. If you need a stabilizer, you can add something like agar-agar or gelatin. But we're just making it simple because it's just going on top. So, we need that whole thing.
What's left of it?
Heavy whipping cream, yeah. It's about 200 milliliters left, probably. Yay! And I can get that out of there. And then we don't want this to be super sweet or overpowering to the matcha, so we're not going to make it super sweet. I'm probably going to put like 3 teaspoons of sugar in here. Just plain white sugar. Nothing fancy. And then I just use the cap to measure if I don't have an exact measurement. So I'm gonna put about a half of a capful of just pure vanilla extract. Not so low, we've been using this on so many recipes. Okay, this is the fun part and the loud part. Get your immersion blender. Can you do this by hand? Yes. Will you be standing here for 45 minutes? Also yes. So don't do that to yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this with an immersion blender. So enjoy the music because it's gonna get loud.
You don't need to hear this.
It's gonna be loud. So if it starts curdling, then you know you're on your way to butter, and you should probably just keep going until you get butter at that point.
I always wondered why when I was a kid when we did those little things where you make butter by shaking your heavy finger in a jar, I always ended up more with like whipped cream than butter.
Yes. It wasn't quite enough.
Good. It wasn't what I was trying to do.
Yeah. It's still gonna taste great. Oh my god, that's so good. That's really good. Rose, you wanna try? What do you think? Okay, so our whipped cream is all finished. And now we're just waiting for the pudding to set. And then once that's finished in a few minutes, then we'll go ahead and plate everything and make it look fancy and pretty.
And then we'll be back to taste it.
Yes. Bye. Hi, we're back. So here it is. Here is our finished product. We think they look really cute. And you can kind of see the inside. You can see the layers in the pudding. So, yeah, if you're wondering where we got any of this stuff, the coasters, the cute little spoons, and the cups, we got all from Daiso. Hi.
He wants love.
So all of the stuff that we got for the like decorating and stuff like that came from Daiso. So if you like any of those things, that's where you can get them. And yeah, I think I'm ready to try it. Okay, give it a shot. Itadakimasu. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
He wants to try it now. He can't though.
It's really good.
Get a little bit of Now that I'm gonna give you something, you wanna ignore me? You've got some on your nose, baby.
It's gonna look cute.
It's okay, just ignore me.
That's it. There's our thumbnail. Gigi enjoying some whipped cream. This is really good.
Yeah. You gotta let us do taste tests. I just almost used the top as a spoon.
You can if you want. Putting it in a freezer for 30 minutes is a good call.
We had it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then it was still very liquidy. Oh yeah!
I'm sitting here waiting to
You
try
gotta-
them.
You gotta let camera try.
Oh yeah. What do you think? Happy dance.
Yeah, just doing a happy dance.
It's a happy dance happening. This is really, really good. It's really light and smooth. Even though it's made with like milk and cream and stuff like that, it's really light. I don't know how. It's super good. Definitely make this. I had some I had some fruit persimmons, so I did cut those up a little bit. That's what these little orange pieces are in here. And those taste really good because fruit persimmons get really, really sweet once they get a little bit mushy. That's when they're ready to eat. And yeah, this is super good. Oh no, I found lunch.
They're also really good frozen.
Yeah.
Do the guys want to try it?
Do the guys want to try it?
Second.
Okay. We're gonna go hand these to them. We're gonna keep the camera rolling. We'll be right back.
So we have a non-green tea fan who says it's okay, but it's good considering that it's green tea.
Yeah. So Zero actually likes green tea, and he does think it's really good. He said that he really likes the texture of it, and yeah, I dig it. I'm happy with it. And now we just sit here and eat this for lunch. So that. Yeah. Definitely making this again. I want to try it with more toppings. I wonder if we can do like a layer thing where we layer it with pudding and whipped cream and fruit. Pudding with cream and fruit.
That would have to go in the fridge so much.
I would.
It'll make it more time consuming, but it'll be very, very pretty.
What if we made like a little cheesecake crust on the bottom? And put the pudding on it. And then whipped cream and fruit. So, the instructions didn't specify how long we needed to refrigerate it for before it's to set. Just said cool in the fridge to set. So we did 30 minutes in the fridge and 30 minutes in the freezer-ish, like 20-30 minutes. And that seemed to work really well. I think if it was in the freezer the entire time, it probably would have just frozen. So I think the fridge and then the freezer was a good call. You could probably, cat hair. You could probably, whoops, just leave it in the fridge the whole time, but it would probably take like 2 hours.
Yeah.
So if you want a little bit faster, 30 minutes. If you don't care, leave it in the fridge for a couple hours. Oh my gosh, I just keep them. I'm making a mess. Well, I'm happy with it. Thumbs up from us.
I give my
And-
strawberry coffee to those because I don't like strawberry coffee.
I'm not a huge fan of it. To Zero. Yeah. You can have mine. Yeah, we're happy. Try it out. Let us know.
Try
in
it
the
and do the
comments. Definitely try to do the thing. So let us know in the comments if you tried it, or if you've already made it before, or if you tried after our video. And how do you like it?
If we do end up making the super layery version at one point, we'll probably post that up on our socials.
Yeah, I would say definitely. I'm covered in whipped cream. I think I just got mine on the table over here. I did. Forgot it was on my finger and then I touched the side of the counter. It's been a day. Thank you. So yeah, it's tasty. If you like green tea, let us know if you've eaten it before or if you would try it. If you don't like green tea, let us know if you would try it anyway. Because maybe this is your thing. Maybe you just still don't like green tea. That's totally fine. That's not everybody's thing. But anyway, I'm going to sit here and ramble because I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. Probably.